third grade. Well, let's get started on chapter 3 review. We're going to review today, which means that we'll take our chapter 3 math test on Monday. So open up to page 138 and we won't do all of these problems, we'll do some of them. Okay, so starting with number 1. There are 3 boats on the lake. 6 people ride in each boat. How many people ride in the boats? Draw equal groups to model the problem and explain how to solve it. So let's go back and circle what we need to know. There are 3 boats on the lake. We circle 3 boats. 6 people ride in each boat. We know that there are 6 people in each boat. How many people ride in the boats? So let's draw equal groups, because that's what it says. Draw equal groups to model the problem. 3 boats, so we'll draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. And then there are 6 people in each boat, so now we'll draw 6 circles inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now you can count or count by 6s to find how many in all. So that's 6. 6 more is 12. 6 more is 18. So 18 people. Okay, now it says explain how you solved it. So there's a lot of different ways that you could explain how you solved this problem, but because we made equal groups, we'll say we made, or you could say I made 3 equal groups of 6, then skip counted by 6s to find how many in all. Okay, now if I'm going too fast, press pause on the video and then press play when you're ready to continue. All right, let's do another one. Hey, Nadia has 4 sheets of stickers. There are 8 stickers on each sheet. She wrote this number sentence to represent the total number of stickers. So she has 4 times 8 equals 32. That's because she has 4 sheets, so that's the 4 equal groups, and there are 8 stickers on each sheet. So that's why she did 4 times 8 to get 32. What is a related number sentence that also represents the total number of stickers? So we know that we can just do 4 times 8 to get the total. But what else down here could also get us to 32? So let's look at A. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 would not get us to 32. That wouldn't work. Okay, let's try 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, this would also not work. Because if I add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, we're not going to get to 32. We'd have to add 4 8 times, and we're not. It's only adding to itself 4 times. So that wouldn't work. 8 times 8, that wouldn't work. 8 times 4. That would work because 4 and 8 and then 8 and 4, the factors just switch places. We know that because of the commutative property, 8 times 4 would give us the same answer as 4 times 8. Okay. Let's keep going. Now we're going to use a number line. Lindsay went hiking for 2 days in Yellowstone National Park. The first jump on the number line shows how many birds she saw on the first day. She saw the same number of birds on the next day. Write the multiplication sentence that is shown on the number line. So we're looking at this number line here, and we're going to write the multiplication sentence that this number line is showing. So always start with groups. So how many jumps are there on the number line? There's 1, 2. Those are our equal groups. 2 groups. And then how many are in each group? Well, the first jump goes from 0 to 8. So we know that there's 8 in the first jump. So we know that there must be 8 in the second jump for them to be equal. So we have 2 times 8, because there's 8 here and then 8 here, and it equals 16. So that is the multiplication sentence for that number line. Okay, let's keep going. Go ahead, let's go to the next page. Okay, we're starting on number 4. Paco drew an array to show the number of desks in his classroom. Write a multiplication sentence for the array. So we're looking at this array here. We always start with equal groups. So in an array, we're going to start with the rows. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 times, how many are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 3 times 7. Okay, on your own, figure out what this total is going to be. I'll give you 10 seconds. All right, you should have gotten 21. 3 times 7 is 21. All right, let's keep going. Okay, number 5. Alondra makes 4 necklaces. She uses 5 beads on each necklace. So let's just review. She has 4 necklaces and she puts 5 beads on each. So that's going to be 4 equal groups of 5. For numbers 5A through 5D, choose yes or no to tell if the number sentence could be used to find the number of beads Alondra uses. So if she has 4 necklaces and 5 beads on each, how can we find that total? Let's see. 5A says 4 times 5. She has 4 necklaces and there are 5 beads on each. That's a multiplication problem. She could do 4 times 5 to find the answer. That would work. Okay, let's look at the next one, 5B. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, well, 4 plus, so it's saying 4 plus adding to itself 4 times. That multiplication sentence would be 4 times 4, and that would not work. Okay, let's look at this one. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So that's saying 4 times 5, right? 5 adding to itself 4 times. Because remember, multiplication can also be repeated addition. That's just like saying 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So that would work. And then the last one, 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Is that going to get us our total of 4 times 5? No. So these are the two that would work. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, here we have a bar model, and we're going to use this story problem to solve. John sold 3 baskets of apples at the market. Each basket contained 9 apples. How many apples did John sell? Make a bar model to solve the problem. So let's go back and read it again. Circle what we need to know. John sold 3 baskets of apples at the market. So we know we have our 3 equal groups. Each basket contained 9 apples. So we know we're going to have 3 equal groups of 9. So as best you can, we're going to split this bar model into 3 equal groups. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now how many apples go in each basket? 9. So that would be 9, 9, 9. Okay, that's 3 groups of 9. So that's just like doing 3. I'll move this here. 3 equal groups times 9. Okay, so now we need to solve. There's lots of different ways you could do this. Because we have our bar model here, let's do repeated addition. Okay, 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 9 more, we can count on. 18's in our hand. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 24, 25, 26, 27. So the answer is 27 apples. So 3 times 9 is 27. Okay, good job. Let's keep going. Okay, number 7. Select the number sentences that show the commutative property of multiplication. So remember, the commutative property is when you can change the order of the factors and you get the same product. You get the same answer. So first we have 3 times 2 equals 2 times 3. So everything on this side of the equal sign needs to be the same over here. So it's the same numbers, they're just in a different order. Is this showing the commutative property? Yes. Okay, and remember, when it says mark all that apply, it means that there's more than one answer. Let's look at the next one. 4 times 9 equals 4 times 9. 4, 9, 4, 9. Okay, did the order change? No, it didn't. So this isn't showing the commutative property. Next one, 5 times 0 equals 0, not showing the commutative property. That's the 0 property. D, 6 times 1 equals 1 times 6. Think about the order. All right, is the order different? Yes. So this one we would choose, that's showing it. And letter E, 7 times 2 equals 14 times 1. That's true. 7 times 2 is 14, and 14 times 1 is also 14, but that's not showing the commutative property. Okay, let's move on to number 8. Okay, a waiter carried 6 baskets with 5 dinner rolls in each basket. How many dinner rolls did he carry? Show your best work. Okay, so we have a waiter carried 6 baskets with 5 dinner rolls in each basket. So we have 6 baskets with 5 dinner rolls in each basket. How many dinner rolls did he carry? Show your work. So we have 6 baskets with 5 in each. There are lots of different ways we could do this. You could make equal groups or you can make an array. Let's make an array. So 6 baskets would be 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna have to squeeze this last one in, 6. Okay, and then there should be 5 in each. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so because we have 5s here, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, we can count by 5s. So let's count by 5 6 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. All right, so we know that he has 30 dinner rolls. Okay, I'm going to erase. You can keep working. Another way we could have done this is to have drawn equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we could have put 5 in each. Or another way, we could have just written the multiplication sentence. 6 times 5 equals, and then figured out 30. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, let's keep going. So now we're on number 9. Okay. Sonia needs 3 equal lengths of wire to make 3 bracelets. The jump on the number line shows the length of 1 wire in inches. How many inches of wire will Sonia need to make 3 bracelets? Okay. So Sonia needs 3 equal lengths of wire. So we know that she's going to need 3 equal lengths. That means she's going to have 3 jumps on her number line. The jump on the number line shows the length of one of the wire in inches. So the first jump is going from 0 to 6. If one jump is going by 6, it means that they all have to go by 6 for them to be equal. So that's a big clue. 0 to 6 means all the jumps have to go by 6. And there's 3 equal lengths to make 3 bracelets, so we're going to have 3 jumps. So the first one goes to 6. Count out 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It goes to 12. And we know that 6 plus 6 is 12, so that's correct. Okay, 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you should have 3 jumps on your number line, and what did we land on? 18. Okay. Okay, we are going to stop here. If you're in my online class, we are going to do more of this tomorrow during our Google Meet. Okay, so if you're in my online class, we're going to stop now and do more together during Google Meet. Okay, thanks, third grade.